click on the bell so that whenever I release new videos you'll be able to get it. Quickly, let's move in. So that's what I want us to do. We will be learning how to we will learn about the headers and footers when it comes to Microsoft Word. So quickly, I want to open up a document that I have already on the machine, as I have opened one over here. Yes, so we are going to put a logo and we're gonna design, put a very nice header. Okay, quickly, let's move in. So I'll just have to come to the layout section. So I would have to come to the insert section, and then I will go to header, and I will be able to choose what kind of header that I'm looking for. And I want to create my own one, so I would go to edit header, then it opens like this. I want to bring in a logo, so I can come here to say I want to insert a picture. I wait for it to open, and then I navigate to where the picture is. That's one thing that I first want to do. First, I want to bring up some shapes so that I create some placeholders. I place some placeholders over there. Okay, so I want to place some placeholders here. I'll go to shape, and for the start I would want to, let me say I want to bring up a full horizontal. Okay, if the space is too small for your work, if the space for the header is too small for your work, you come to header and footer here, and then you see this side, it says header from top. So from the top I want it to increase a little. See, I gave in more. Good. Then I can extend my shape, which I will be using. I will go to shapes here and then say I don't want any fill. Awesome. And then I would want to choose the outline and make it black also. Awesome. So I'm going to divide this into three with separate things. I can choose the text box. I can choose to put in text boxes rather. So over here I would draw my first text box. You can also use shapes if you want to use shapes, but I want to use text box, so I put in a text box here, one, and then I would I'll just bring in more of it, or better still, I'll just click on it and then go to duplicate, so that I'll make a copy of it, which I can put on the right side also. I hope you are following the tutorial. Awesome. And then I'll still make a duplicate, and this time around I'll put it in the middle. Because it is too wide, I'm going to lessen it. I'm going to shrink it so that it fits into that. Awesome. Once I'm done with the text boxes, I want to fill the text box with a picture, actually, meaning I want to put in my logo there. Yes, even though it is a text box, but we can put images there. You can fill a text box with an image. You can follow up on my previous tutorials to learn more about Microsoft Word, let me say the Microsoft products. Awesome. So over here I'll choose this logo. This is the logo that I want to put over there. So I'll just come here. I think it is still opening. Yeah, this one looks like what I want, but this one is an icon version because okay, I'll just double click on it. I'll just click on it and go to open. Wow, awesome. So you see that my logo is fixed here. Over here I can choose to type in type in some text. I can choose to type in some text. Right, mostly people write our reference and your reference. You see, I can separate it the way I want so that it fits what I want to do. Okay, awesome. If I come here, I can put up any design that I want here, or any name that I want here. Awesome, good. So that's all that I want for my header, and then I will just have to come back to header and footer and say close header and footer, and then you see that it becomes a header, and it's on all the sheets, every sheet that I create. You can do likewise for the footer also. Now you see that the outlines are showing. If I don't want the outlines to show, and I want to, let's say I want to edit the header, I can go back to insert and then say header, and I'll say edit header, or I can quickly double click on the header section and it will open for me to edit, which is far easier and faster if that is what you want to do, which I think you are going to use that option. So I'll just come here, I'll select my text box, I go to the shape format, and then say I don't want any outline. Don't forget there are 3 of them, so I'd have to do no outline for all 3. And even the first one that I put there, the first text box that I rectangular shape that I inserted, also I can just go and say no outline, so that there wouldn't be any outline. So if I double click outside, you see there's no outline. But maybe you'd want to put in some baseline to show the difference between yeah, you see, you want to put some baseline. If that is what you want to do, it is also allowed. You can do so. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to come here and then go to possibly just get a line, and then I'll put it just at the base over here. I'll make sure the line is black, so I'll click on this black one here. I can choose the outline to be, the width to be a bit bigger, and awesome. So this is it. Now I've put in a header. So let's say I want to change the logo. I can just double click on it, click on the logo, make sure it is not, the insertion beam is not clicking, and then or it's not blinking. So you can come here and say you want to change the color, which is okay, which is so much okay. Not necessarily change the color, you want to change the you want to change the fill, the picture. So you come here and say picture, and then you can be able to change it to another picture from your machine, from the web, wherever the picture is coming from. Let's say I want to use this Dynamis logo, and then we are good to go. So this is how you can be able to edit footers, and this is how you'll be able to edit footers and headers with Microsoft products. Actually, it is I only showed you in Microsoft Word, but you can do it with all of it. Possibly that's it. Microsoft Word is fine. Thank you so much. Catch us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and then I will be bringing you lot of it. There's a whole series coming up, but I'm doing this one because it's a special request from one of our audience. I'm also looking forward that you leave a comment in the comment section telling us one that you need urgently, so that I'll make a video on that for you whilst we work on the whole series. Thank you so much. This channel is proudly brought to you by Super J Side Business and Services. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever we produce a video. God bless you. See you on the other side in our next video. Bye bye.